Influence is an interesting thing to reflect back on. I grew up on a farm in the Western District. My dad was a farmer. We grew sheep and cattle occasionally, but no crops. And he was very interested in science and had a good relationship with the local agricultural research institute. And my work experience job was actually working there. In fact, I spent 2 weeks washing grass. Fantastic experience. But that really stimulated an interest in science, and both my parents were interested in knowledge for knowledge's sake. So I think that gave me something to aim for, that I would understand more about science, and in the end I went to university to study agricultural science.
In terms of what I do, forensic science, I don't have that much interest in the causes of it, but the main thing that's driven where I've worked and what I've done is my love of travel. I adore going all over the world and seeing different cultures and learning about different cultures. And with forensic science you can travel everywhere because every country and every city has a forensics lab. So I moved from New Zealand to Australia to do my PhD. Coming to Melbourne, never having been here before, and just packed up my life and came here. I did the same thing to move to the Netherlands to do my postdoctoral research, and I've been fortunate enough to attend conferences all over the world, throughout Europe, America, Africa, on the topic of forensic science. So I get to combine my love of travel and my scientific career in one.
Well, I've been a zoologist now for 31 years, but I track it back to a primary school prep grade teacher who took us on nature walks and knew what she was looking at and showed us around. But I also had the privilege of growing up with a couple of local naturalists, Ellen McCulloch, and the McCubbins used to live opposite us, and one of those McCubbins was Charlie McCubbin, who was a wildlife artist and naturalist, and they just triggered a curiosity in nature that's continued ever since.